Now, what have I got here? What have I got there? What have I got?
4.
4 lots. Yeah? I haven't said how many. Can you see that it's written like that? 4 lots? 4 lots. How would you work it out? I haven't told you how much each lot is, but have you got any thoughts about how you could work out how much to pay for 4 lots? Tell me if you're not sure what I mean. Not sure what I mean. All right, let's put some numbers in. Let's say I take 3 of you girls out, so there are 4 of us. 4 of us will go down, bless you, 4 of us will go down to the cafe, and we're going to have fun. We're going to buy milkshakes and muffins and all sorts of things. So it's going to cost a 10 and a 7, $17 for everybody. Can you see that that's 4 lots of 17, what I've drawn? Don't try and work it out yet. Can you see that that's 4 lots of 17? So what are we going to do? I don't want the answers, I just want to know what we're going to do to work it out.
To see what this equals and see what this equals. No, this equals 34, this equals 34. And the 3 tens and 4 plus 3 tens and a 4 is 68.
4 times 17 is 68. Smarty pants, aren't you? How does that feel?
Good.
Is that an easy way to do 4 times? So now, if teacher says 4 times 8 in class, can you set it up like that? 4 times 8, you would set it up in your mind like this. Even 8, 4 lots. Can you see 4 lots of even 8 there?
Yeah.
So first of all, you would do, what would you do? Like you did this one.
What this equals.
Yes, and that's
14. And then you'll see what this equals. It equals 14. And then 14 plus 14 equals 20.
okay. You told me this without doing the mirror game. You see why I ask you to do this? Because otherwise you can make a mistake. You said 2 lots of 8 is a 10 and a 4 because you didn't do your mirror game for me. So now will you show me 2 lots of even 8? Show me even 8. Yes. Yes. So 2 lots of even 8 is a
10 and a 6.
Beautiful. So if that's a 10 and a 6, 2 lots of even 8 is a 10 and a 6. So 4 lots would be, show me the double 6 so we know what it ends in.
A 10 and a 2.
So how many 10s altogether? Tell me if you're confused.
3 10s and 2.
Beautiful. 4 times 8 is 3 10s and a 2. And if you practice that, you'll get quicker and quicker and quicker, and you'll be able to do all those answers in class really easily. 4 times anything. Do you want to choose another one? 4 times what? What's a hard one for you to remember? 4 times what is a hard one to remember?
80.
4 times 80. But does teacher ask you sums like that? Okay, 4 times 80. Okay. Should we draw it? Would it make it easier if we draw it?
Yeah.
Let's say it in Pebble Maths talk. 4 lots of 8 10s. 8 10s, 8 10s, 8 10s, 8 10s. Where will you start?
I'll start here.
2 lots of 8 10s. Again, it's our mirror game. You're going to show me. 2 lots of 8 10s is, how How many have we got here now altogether?
2, a 10, and a 6.
A 10 and a 6. What's that called at school?
16.
So 2 lots of 8 tens is 16 tens. Do you see that?
Yeah.
16 tens. Yes? So what have we got to do now to get 4 lots?
We gotta plus this plus the same.
The same again. So we've got to do 16 tens and 16 tens.
And then we go
Do you know what that'll make?
16 plus 16 is 32.
So it'll be
A 0.
32 tens. Beautiful. Well done. Have a look at that. Does that make sense?
Yes.
16 tens and 16 tens make 32 tens. What's this called at school?
320.
Is it easier if we say 16 tens and 16 tens is 32 tens?
Yeah.
That's easier, isn't it? Fantastic. I get a bit muddly-puddly if I make the hundreds and things. I think it's easier if we do the tens. Beautiful. Well done. Now, we've looked at 2 lots. Yeah. We've looked at 4 lots. And now, what have I got here now?
All lots. Oh. 8 lots.
I've got 8 lots. And we write it like this, 8 lots. Yeah? What do you want me to put in each of the bags? 8 lots of what?
16.
8 lots of 16. 8 lots of 16. Can you see that? Let's say I'm going to have a party and I've got 8 children coming and I'm going to make up some lolly bags. Their mummies will probably get cross, I'm putting too many lollies in. I'm going to put 16 lollies in each lolly bag. Yeah? And I need to know how many lollies I've got to buy. Does that make sense? I've got 8 children coming to the party and they're getting 16 lollies each. I've got to buy 8 lots of 16. Where am I going to start?
You're going to see what these two
And how much would that do?
it would be.
Mirror game, so we don't...
32
32 for 2 bags.
plus 32 will equal 64. And then
64 for 4 bags.
and 64 is 12 tenths and 4 ones.
6 tens and 4 ones and 6 tens and 4 ones. 12 tens and...
4 ones.
This one's got 4 ones.
8 ones.
12 tens and 8 ones. Very good. Can you see how that works?
Yeah.
Do you see you have to double the tens and you have to also double the ones? So you could help me working out how many lollies I've got to buy for my party. 128 lollies. So you can now multiply by 2 and 4 and 8, even 2, even 4 and even 8. Is that good? All right.